Hi friend, today I will discuss my topic of slope and accept of Erdas imaging 9.2 through. So let's start how to slope and accept work done for Erdas imaging 9.2. At first, interpreter. At first, open the DEM image of particular place. So there is the DEM image and use of the elevation model, digital elevation model, image, height, length and width. So let's start. Interpreter is the topographic analysis and there is the slope. Input this image here and let's start subset demo image here, input and output name slope and OK, and input height parameter, select the DEM layer and elevation unit. There is the centimeter, meter, kilometer. This is the kilometer, and output unit there is the percentage. Just choose this is the percentage. Okay, there is the surface slope. This is the OK. Run this model and open the image. Open the slope image. So open slope raster option. There is the pseudo color and clear display and OK. There is the slope map of particular percentage of the slope. There is the percentage slope map. There is the unit use. Next video there is the degree percentage. So there is the DEM image of the particular place of slope of degree unit. Next video is the accept of particular surface of the area of the water flow of the channel of the high peak to low peak. So input this image here, subset DEM image, this is the name of image and output name, this is the accept, there is the name of accept a particular place and OK. Run this process and open the image of slope and accept image. Accept and raster option. Go to the change of this color and particular image, so raster option and display as the pseudo color and clear display and OK. There is the DEM image and raster option and go to the attribute and edit and color, start color the red and end color of the blue. So start of this change of this color and there is the accept a particular place, the green red is the slope and accept. There is the slope and accept of the particular image and end is the blue and start is the red, so slope. Thanks for watching.